Okay, gagawa ko ng buttered chicken. Itong buttered chicken to is ready-made na to, pero nagdadagdag ako dito ng cream kasi maalat to. Bale, ito siya. Yung mabasa yan. So, bale, dinadagdagan ko siya nitong cream kasi maalat. So, kumbaga, ritukuhin ko to. Gawa ng pagkain na to ay Indian to. So, pero ginawa lang to sa sa Toronto. Yan. So, dadagdagan ko lang ng 2 ganon muna. Titignan ko mamaya kung kulang pa. So, dadagdag ko yung dalawa pang ganyan. Kaya isa pang ganito na cream. Ayan. Ibali lumabnaw ito. So, i-adjust ko na lang siya ng cornstarch or arena para lumapot ulit siya. Kaya ako dinagdagan lang naman to kasi may maalat ito eh. Maalat. So gagawin ko, palalapotin ko na lang ulit siya. Tapos starch. Enjoy ka na. So, bali ganyan na siya. Parang lang siya eh, parang curry pero walang curry to eh. More on cinnamon, cloves, mga powder na mga ganon. Turmeric, tapos kamatis. So okay, kulang pa ng isa, kukuha muna ako ng isang cream. Oh, well, she's my brother.
I know that.
You know that?
She works more than you do.
No?
She's here all the time. Huh?
No?
She works more than you. Yes, she does.
You like this, right?
What is it?
This is the butter chicken.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
I adjust this because this is too salty.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why I have to add more cream.
Right.
And,
Sugar.
no,
Balance it out.
I put a little bit of butter or margarine to adjust and make it thicker again.
I made this carrot cake before. I made it one.
So what?
The carrot cake, I made it one time.
It's really mostly.
Yeah.
Mostly cream.
The worst thing I ever made when I was cooking was liver. I've never cooked liver or eaten liver in my life. I didn't know how to cook it. I didn't know how to cook it. Liver, I had liver here. Yeah, like here, they cook liver. Liver on the menu. I had to cook it.
And then,
Ugh. I've never done. I floured it and then I fried it and then like whatever. I've never cooked it before.
okay,
And I had to cook it here one day. Oh god. Or clam chowder. I don't eat clams either, so I did.
well,
But that was, it was easy with the clams because all you had to do was make a good base and then throw the clams in last, right?
yes.
So just taste your base.
Just flour, whipping cream, oh, whipping cream,
Yeah.
and then
As long as the
butter.
base is good.
Yeah. I don't know if you're adding some potato or something like that. Potato?
Potato?
Yeah,
Wow.
club chowder, yeah.
You know what I actually did? And actually, I did a red sauce. I actually put a little bit of tomato
Yes.
soup in it. It was good.
No
I like
many
to-
version. The other is there is bacon.
Yeah. It was pretty delicious.
So okay, buttered.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we gotta move this like this right there. Warm it. Yeah. So, bali yung manok ko nandito. Itong manok hindi ko na igigisa yan. Lulutuin ko lang yan dito sa oven. Andiyan siya. Hilaw. So, lulutuin ko yan dyan sa oven. Tapos ito yung bali alternative ko, cod. Lulutuin yan sa oven din. So, ang kanin ko na, isa lang ko na, nandoon na ang kanin. So, gulay na lang, saka mashed potato. So, bali may proportionin pa ako. Ito pala yung pakain ko ngayon. Okay. Bye-bye.
I heard you had rice.
Rice! Okay, bye-bye.